Hello, my name is Sir Edward Richard. I will be guiding you through the drawing of Adam and Eve. At first there was nothing, no earth, no ocean, no sky, no stars. God began to make things by speaking. First God said, "Let there be light," and it happened. By speaking He also made the sky, the sea, the land, the plants, the sun, the moon, the fish, the birds and all other creatures on earth. He scooped up some dust and breath into it, and it became man in His own image. He named this man Adam. God placed Adam in a beautiful garden called Eden, but over time Adam became lonely. So while Adam was asleep, God took one of Adam's ribs and made Eve, a beautiful woman whom Adam loved very much. Before we begin drawing, please remember that art is to be a fun adventure. No one is perfect and mistakes do happen. Don't worry if you need to try drawing several times, it happens to me also. I draw with a magic marker so it can be boldly seen on the video. For beginner artists, it is easy to draw with a pencil and have an eraser on hand. With that said, let's draw Adam and Eve. Start with Adam's head. Do it in sections as illustrated, starting from the top. Line in his hair, ending at the top of each ear. Next, draw in all the facial features. Draw the body to be something like the bottom portion of an egg. Draw the right hand like a mitten. Draw a line for the arm in the same curvature as the body to meet the hand. The feet will resemble shoeboxes. Draw a rectangle about an arm's length away from Adam and at his waist height. This will be Eve's right hand. Observe how Adam's hand is on the top and bottom of her hand to appear he is holding it. to the right of Adam's head, but somewhat level to the top of his hair. Begin drawing Eve's hair. Bring her hair down to about waist length and repeat the same for the other side. The design does not matter. Just make it look full and unkempt. Leave a circular shape of the hair around where the face will be. Extend 2 lines from Eve's wrist into her hair to make it look like an arm. Draw in her facial features. Be sure to keep the lower half of her body in line with Adam's, not too long or too short. Make Eve's left hand like a mitten, with the thumb pointing up. Draw a line from her wrist toward her hair for her arm. Draw her feet. Finish by making the hair textured. The lines can be random just so they are flowing with the hair curvature. Beautiful drawing. I knew you could do it. If you liked this video, please subscribe, click the like icon, and leave a comment.